Yeah, pretty much. No, not at the track. It's at around that building.
It's an R model diesel. There's a Toro.
That's a
Toro. There's an
Oliver.
550.
550. And there's a Cuckshut.
Cockshut 40.
Yeah, 40. And Oliver 66. All the tractors are all. That's green.
That's military.
That's a green case.
That's the U.S. Army.
Our club at Berryville, we're trying to get rid of a Cub Blow boy.
For how much?
I don't know. Have to.
Hey, you gotta ask how much?
Yeah.
Does it run?
It doesn't run now. It's the guy. He wanted to donate it to the club, but we don't have room for it, so it didn't work out.
The Fordson.
That's a pull-in tractor. All the Fords are up here.
Ford.
Found on road dead. Or first on race day. One of the two.
There's an Olive Jumper.
Stubby.
That's a good engine for Stubby. 214 Olive Jumper.
I guess all Chalmers would have to be my second favorite, because I keep getting all Chalmers stuff from a person that nanny and does their wife's hair. He's an all Chalmers guy.
Listen to that Johnny. He's popping.
He's popping. Yeah, he's popping all right.
Look, he got big red.
There's a 682 up here. That's a 682.
Yeah. That's basically a step down from the 782. There's a pretty big tractor.
That's a Cub Cadet though. It's supposed to be a farm mall is what the pretty pink tractor is supposed to be. The horses at competitive horse pulls today.
Where's the horses at?
They're in the trailer.
Oh, in the trailer getting ready. There's another 682.
Good grief. That's in LA. That'd be nice to have in LA.
Yeah.
It's small, easy to haul. Owned by Don and Janet Rue. That's a Model D. See, look, he's hauling the Ajax. He's hauling the Ajax portable. I think that's Mike Knobs' Ajax. That's a D2, just like Master Builds. That one's got a saw on the front.
Yep.
Mike Knob owns this one. He owns that one. Because it said Mike Knob on it. I didn't know Mike Knob owned a John Deere. AR.
There's the unstyled Deere.
Unstyled. And the end of the John Deeres.
There's an M. M be a nice one to have.
Yeah. Like just like the LA would be nice to have. I think that building, that green building, is where they're gonna have the parade around. Jesse Knob owns this one.
It's a B.
It's a B.